Welcome back to the channel. My name is Thomas Fletcher and I'm the host of the LCSW Network. If you're new to the channel, please do me a favor by smashing that like button, by subscribing to the channel, and by sharing this video with your social work colleagues and friends. The purpose of this channel is to create a community of hope and support, where social workers can come for relevant news, information, and inspiration. Well, welcome back to Self-Care Saturday. Welcome back to week 40 of our 2021 Wellness Challenge series. For those of you that are new to the channel, I am a social worker who exactly 1 year ago created this YouTube channel and created this Self-Care Saturday series to provide self-care top tips and practices for my social work colleagues and other licensed mental health professionals that we can all utilize to maintain our wellness while we're providing essential mental health services to our clients. So in today's show, I will be providing an introduction to the 8 dimensions of wellness. For those of you who are not familiar with the 8 dimensions of wellness, SAMHSA created this wellness guide that I will be covering over the next 8 to 9 weeks. So the name, and I will leave a description, I will leave a link to the SAMHSA publication in the description box below. But the title of the wellness guide that SAMHSA created is called Creating a Healthier Life, a step-by-step guide to wellness. So in this wellness guide that SAMHSA created, they talk about 8 dimensions of wellness. So we will be introducing those in today's show, and then in subsequent weeks we will do deep dives into each of the 8 dimensions of wellness. So SAMHSA, which is the Substance Abuse Mental Health Services Administration, conceptualizes wellness as a broad concept which encompasses being healthy in many dimensions of our lives. That includes the emotional, physical, occupational, intellectual, financial, social, environmental, and spiritual parts. These dimensions are interconnected, one dimension building on another. So let's quickly go over the 8 dimensions, and then again, in the next 8 weeks, we will do deep dives into each of these dimensions. So the first dimension that SAMHSA talks about is emotional. And what they mean by this is coping effectively with life and creating satisfying relationships. The second dimension of wellness that SAMHSA covers is environmental. And this means good health by occupying pleasant, stimulating environments that support well-being. That's like me coming out here every week, guys. For me, this is my environmental wellness, right? The third dimension of wellness that is covered in this SAMHSA wellness guide is financial. And that means satisfaction with current and future financial situations. The next dimension of wellness that is covered in this guide is intellectual. And that means recognizing creative abilities and finding ways to expand knowledge and skills. Kind of like how I created this YouTube channel. That's exactly why I created this YouTube channel. The next wellness dimension of wellness that's covered in this guide is occupational. And what they mean by that is one's work. The next dimension of wellness that is covered is physical, recognizing the need for physical activity, healthy foods, and sleep. The next dimension of wellness that is covered is social, developing a sense of connection, belonging, and a well-developed support system. And the 8th dimension of wellness that is covered in this SAMHSA document is spiritual, expanding a sense of purpose and meaning in life. So again, I will be covering these 8 dimensions of wellness in the next 8 weeks. So please stick around. But I want to thank you for watching this video. And again, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my viewers for supporting this channel during its first year of operations. I couldn't have done it without your support, so thank you. And again, to all the social workers and mental health professionals out there, thank you for the work that you do every day for your clients, for your agency, and for the profession. Please continue to support each other and yourselves. Bye for now.